Today we will be examining the APICS case competition in collaboration with Deloitte Consulting.
The company at hand is TechSoft, and we will be analyzing their supply chains.
Here we have an overview of our presentation. We know that TechSoft is a leading technology company who's just come out with a brand new graphics card. This graphics card has a 10% size reduction and the price point has been cut in half. Overall, what this has led to is that the supply chain costs per graphic card are now higher.
Our goal is to reduce the supply chain costs. We will do this by consolidating our suppliers, implementing an ERP and CRM system, as well as rethinking our supply chain strategies.
Here we have a basic industry assessment. We know that the technology industry is very competitive on both the functionality and pricing fronts. From the competitor and consumer standpoint, we know that the technology industry is fast-paced. With each passing day, graphics cards lose value and they have a high risk of obsolescence. But where this provides opportunity is that the industry is very innovative. It's always looking at what's next. So as long as TechSoft stays on top of that and stays ahead of the curve, they will outperform their competitors every time.
Some of our current competitive advantages, as my colleague mentioned, are the leading technologies with the new graphics card. In addition to this, we also have the highest quality standards. Currently, our customer service level is at about 98%. We also offer customer flexibility. Our future competitive advantages consist of a lower operating ratio and greater efficiency due to the ERP and CRM systems that we will be implementing.
So here we take a look at our inventory and flow planning. We've cut the order lock-in period from 7 down to just these 3 weeks. And now in these 3 weeks, we will be producing safety stock, but what we want to do with the implementation of the CRM is essentially cut this all out so we eliminate the safety stock completely and phase over towards a just-in-time production planning system. But in the short run, with these 3 weeks, what this will do for us is help reduce inventory by 15% currently from the warehouse and ultimately bring down warehouse cost per graphic card by 43%. And then at the end of production, we want to ship orders in bulk. We want to wait till the demand is substantial enough to send all our orders out together. This will help us reduce transportation costs by about 45%, and overall we have a 5-week timeline.
So, lowering these time periods is going to lower our customer service levels, which is one of our greatest competitive advantages. Through this customer service survey data, we can see that our customers are okay with us reducing this to about 4 weeks. In addition to this, we are also reducing our suppliers. We are looking at WorldCom and FlexFit, as they both have factors that we value. These are quality and price. They are both opposites in these factors, and we think that provides an advantage to TechSoft.
So technology considerations, as we mentioned before, we want to implement an ERP, specifically SAP. We know that Deloitte has a lot of experience in this realm, so it would be an easy project for them to pick up. What we want to do, what an ERP will help us do is help eliminate duplication and discontinuity in data. This will lead to better inventory management. This will lead to increased productivity, and bottom line, we'll have reduced overhead costs.
So we are also implementing the CRM, specifically Salesforce. This will help us monitor our conversations with our suppliers as well as our customers, and it will help us visualize our sales. As well as this, it will help us create a better forecast for the demands of inventory that we will hold. So essentially, our products start off at the manufacturer, then they go to the warehouse, which the inventory in the warehouse is then shipped to the docking stations and finally to our customers. Implementing the ERP and CRM systems will make this whole process more efficient and save costs.
So our conclusion, what we did is consolidate suppliers from 4 down to 2, namely FlexFit and WorldCom. We want to implement a CRM and ERP systems. This will help make the overall process more efficient and reduce costs in that sense. And we want to rethink our supply chain strategy, phasing over to the just-in-time production system and bulk orders at the end to help reduce transportation costs. Now what this will help us do is reach our goal of reducing supply chain costs per graphics card, making production more feasible.
Thank you.
Thank you.